Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shabna Sathar. I'm basically a language trainer. In today's video, I'm going to introduce to you 3 super common idioms. The first one is a blessing in disguise. It means something which seemed to be not so good, but ultimately turned out to be good. For instance, I can give an example like the company made me redundant last month. However, it turned out to be a blessing in disguise because this month I found another better job. So the company made me redundant in the sense I was thrown out of the job, not just because I underperformed, but the company didn't need me anymore. So I lost my job last month. However, it turned out to be a blessing in disguise because I got a better job. So it seemed to be a bad thing, but later it was something for good. So that is the first idiom, a blessing in disguise. Now let's move on to the second, a piece of cake. It means something is so easy. Passing the test was a piece of cake for me. Hope you all can say this very soon. It means that passing the test was so easy for me. And the third idiom which I would like to introduce to you is don't judge the book by its cover. It means we should not judge something by the external appearance. For example, he always wears shabby clothes, but don't judge the book by its cover because he's one of the most top-paid architects in the city. So when you see him, his external appearance, you may think he is not an architect or he's not a paid person or a wealthy person, but that's not true because you don't judge the book by its cover. He's one of the most top-paid architects in the city. So let's rewind today's session. I have introduced to you 3 idioms. The first one was a blessing in disguise. The second one is a piece of cake. And the third one is don't judge the book by its cover. Hope today's video was quite useful to you and I will be uploading more videos on topics like this. Please keep watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.